Let's continue this exercise, the DC motor. In this video, we'll make the contact holder. So open your Fusion, let's go. Go to assembly, select new component, rename this to contact holder. The parent here is the DC motor. Press OK. And hide the shaft and the core plate. Go to create and select the top plane. Select a line, a construction line, make a construction line here. Okay. Select a line again. Make this sketch here 0.5, 2.25 millimeters, 1.2 millimeters, 2 millimeter here, 3.75 millimeters, 0.5 millimeters here, and close the sketch here. Okay, go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and this point here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these 2 points here is 0.75 millimeters. No, sorry, 1 millimeters here. Okay, let me, where you see the dimensions, finish the sketch, go to revolve. The axis is this construction line, press OK. Let's see this. Let's inspect this 2 millimeters, this hole. Okay, press OK. We have this. Now go to create a sketch and select this face here. Go to modify, select offset, select this edge. The offset here is 0.3 millimeters. Now go to create and select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle. Make a rectangle here. The distance here is 1.25 millimeters. Okay. Now select this edge here and this line here. Select constraint tangent. Go to constraint again, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and the center point here. Now go to create and select circular pattern. Select this rectangle, the center point, click here in this circle. The quantity here is 6. Press OK. You have this. Okay. Finish the sketch, go to extrude. Select this profile here. Select this. We'll make a cut here. Okay. Operation cut. The distance is 1.25 minus 1.25. Press OK. We have this. Now go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here. The chamfer here is 0.5 millimeters, equal distance. Press OK. We have this. Let's show the others. Component, active the DC motor here. We can move this. Now go to joint, select this edge here and select this edge here. Flip this. The motion here is rigid. Press OK. We have this. Here we finish this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.